I recently evaluated a relatively new construction home in northeast Oklahoma City that was showing minor signs of foundation movement on both the exterior walls and inside the home. The homeowner, a very kind lady, was worried about her home's long-term stability. After a complete evaluation, I explained that the movement did not warrant foundation repair at that time. Instead, I walked her through exactly how to monitor the areas for any future changes. Afterwards, she shared her experience. He was extremely professional, knowledgeable, and honest. He took the time to answer all of my questions and concerns and explained exactly what was going on. I would highly recommend OFS to anyone looking for a reputable and honest company. 10 out of 10 service. That's what the preventative stage is all about. Not selling work that isn't needed, but giving homeowners clarity, confidence, and peace of mind. When the time ever comes that repairs are truly necessary, they already know exactly who they can trust.